So guys, we're just off to WMS to pick up a Golf R. It's been there for a bit of work. We're going in this, the newest arrival into stock, the R7, big C-Mac behind the wheel. Yeah, in for a fun ride probably. Yeah, we're going to pick that up, dropping the R7 off. That's getting pads and discs all around. Nice one, Cal, while I'm trying to film. And then we're picking up a 135i as well, so get some footage of that when we get there. So yeah, we're in the R7, just on the way to Tom's. It's about, what is it, about 25 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes or so. 10 minutes in this.
Yeah, it's a bit of a monster, this thing.
I love the seats, don't you?
Yeah, they're nice. What did he call them? Tombstones?
It's almost like honeycomb, aren't they?
Yeah. So yeah, nice car. It's got the carbon pack. As you can see there, probably hear the soundtrack. It's got the full Miltech, including decaps, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's got the Miltech air suspension, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So you can control it.
You can adjust the ride heights. Obviously, they're on air suspension from stock. So with that, you can. I think it's set pretty low at the minute, isn't it? We'll get some footage when we get there of it.
You can definitely tell it's a big boy though. Like it feels heavy, doesn't it?
Bit of traffic ahead. So yeah. It's serious monster, 800 horsepower, so we will do another full review on it. If this Clio gets out the way, might be able to give it some. Not going to, is he?
Holding his position strong there.
Put me in the boot then. Goes well, doesn't it?
Yeah, sounds nasty as well.
Nice bangs, Will. As I'm sure you're all experiencing the heat. What does the car say it is now?
It got down to 30 now.
30 degrees, it did say 35 before, but I think it was in a bit of a sun trap outside the front. So when we get close, we'll get the windows down, get some proper sound videos of it. Big speed camera up here. Yeah, that's fast. Here we go. Just doesn't know what that noise is. Probably blew her out of a little whatever it was.
Like the cam on reaction to people just hand yourself a stick out.
DMO,
like DMO, just redlining everywhere. DMO shifts.
So yeah, we're just chatting about the gearbox in this. It, obviously, I've got an R-Stream myself. Carl's got his M4 with the DCT.
Yeah, and there is a massive change in this. Like, if people have drove the DCTs before, you'll understand, like, you've got the drive logic button, so you can adjust how aggressive it is to change. So with every gear change, you literally get like a shove in the back, don't you? Yeah,
sends me white.
Whereas like with this and yours, well, even more of this, it's just like
I just said this even feels different to mine in the RS3. It's hard to explain. It like
this is a lot softer, isn't it?
It like rolls into the next gear. Whereas like mine, I know it sounds mad, it like bangs into the next gear, and then you get yours and it just slams into the next gear, doesn't it?
Slams you into the next gear.
Like literally, I know it sounds mad, it feels like the car gets a shove from behind every gear change.
But I guess like obviously the three completely different cars, they're all designed for different markets, aren't they?
Another speed camera here. Full of speed cameras around here.
I thought we'd be driving fast anyway.
No speed limits broken at all in any of our videos. Law-abiding citizens, aren't we?
Yeah, boy.
So we're, what, 5 minutes away from Tom's now?
Tom's will show you around his gaff. Show you his milky white legs, see if he's got them out today in the sun.
Yeah, he'll be covered in sun cream.
He's the only kid who'll go to Dubai and come back later.
Spins around in the air, this one. Blow him out the pub. So this is it, we're now at Tom's gaff. R7's here. He's busy with a customer at the moment. It's the MOT bays. That's another one of ours what we've come to pick up. It's had an injector replaced. Obviously the new 135 there. So yeah, we'll introduce you to Tom in a minute. So that's it. Excuse the mount on my head. This camera will clip in that on the way home, get some footage in that. So I'll take you in. This is Tom, the man here, the man who does the work. So moving in. A5, I think it is. And there's this beast here. I don't actually know what it is. It says it on the back. Callum knows. He used to be a little Mitsubishi man. A Starion. So it's got an Evo engine in. As you can see underneath, it's literally, that's the exhaust. Bet it makes a hell of a noise. All the work under here. So I think Tom just said it's 680 brake. Tyres, more tread than some of the things that come into us. Little micro, again, like a rally, road rally spec thing. Some special under there. So yeah, this is where the magic happens. Obviously we use Robin at Manor Lane as well, but he's a busy guy. 170 brake this thing is, 1.3.
1.3, yeah.
You know.
Little ripper.
So yeah, this is
it.
Not much to see, the servo's off it now. Yeah, absolute ripper, I bet. Not much inside either. But the bit I like, the bit... Oh, I'll get around there. Homemade diffuser on the back. Look at that. But what I like the most, bye bye Lamborghini. Is that a true statement, Tom?
Yeah, if you go on YouTube,
yeah.
Type in Neil Billbox.
Let me get his name on the front there so you can type it in.
Yeah.
Type that in.
On YouTube, there's like old footage of it.
Smoking
Lambos.
Lambos.
He's not been on it for years, so a lot of the footage is like years old. Like.
Yeah. So yeah, we've just come, obviously dropped the R7 off. Just going to sort the brakes on that, and then the Golf R. So it was a bit annoying, this one. Obviously came all the way down from Scotland, new owner, local guy picked it up from us and started misfiring a couple of days after. And it turns out, after Tom diagnosed it, was an injector stuck open. Not so much common on these, the older TFSIs, like the Leon Cooper's S3s and stuff. Injectors are quite common. So new injector on cylinder 3, all running good now. So get that back to HQ and the new owner will pick that up. So yeah, it's anyone local to the Wirral area, come down here for your MOTs, servicing, whatnot. He's a good guy.